SmartMicroScope iGo2 on the iPad and iPhone. We begin by going to the App Store and searching iViewer and installing the appropriate version. Turn on the SmartMicroScope iGo2 and wait 10 seconds. Then go to your settings and then your Wi-Fi networks and look for the iViewer network that is coming from your iGo2. Enter the password, the numbers 1 through 8, and you'll be connected. Once connected, go back to your home screen and open the app. Once the app opens, you will see the live image from the iGo2. You can move it around, you can focus in. On the bottom of the app, you'll see some icons. On the far left is freeze. Freezes the image, so wherever you move the scope, that image is going to remain. The next icon is a camera icon to take pictures. The next is for recording videos. When you press that, you'll see the dot on the top right-hand corner to indicate that you're recording. On the bottom right, you will see an image setting icon, which allows you to change brightness and contrast, that type of thing. On the top right-hand corner of the app, you will see an app settings. When you click it, it will take you in so that you can view things like domain name, which is the Wi-Fi network that is being generated, and the password. Within these settings, you can change those things as well. If you want to find your images, you go to your photo gallery, and you will find them right there where your other images are. Thank you for watching the SmartMicroScope iGo2 on the iPad and iPhone.